Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a mani kit that I got from Maniology. This video is sponsored by Maniology, so thank you so much for sending out this kit, these products, and thank you so much for sponsoring the video. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. Maniology is a great company. They offer different nail kits, different polishes, and different design templates to help you create professional looking nails. If you've been following my journey, you know that I am very interested in keeping my nails up. I've changed my nails throughout the years. I've had long curved nails. I've taken off my nails and wore them natural. I've done just the shellac, I've done the overlays, I've pretty much done, I want to say I've done it all, but there are still some things that I haven't done, like I've never tried duck nails or anything like that. I was contacted by this company. I was super excited because, like I said a moment ago, I enjoy changing my nails and I ultimately want my nails to look good. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this package with you all. And stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to include it in this video or in a follow-up video, but I would like to show you all a demonstration of how everything looks when you actually apply their products. So be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So the package for Maniology came like this. Didn't take too long to ship to me at all. When the company reached out, they did give me an option to go on their website and pick out what I wanted to review. So I had the experience as if I was a customer as far as going to the website and seeing how the website functioned and if the navigation was easy to, get through. Was I able to find the checkout seamlessly? Was I able to scroll and find the different designs pretty effortlessly? And I was. And then also the shipping. The shipping didn't take too long at all. I'm thinking that it took about 2 to 3 days, just to give you an idea of how long it takes if you are interested in ordering. So I got quite a bit in this package. This is everything that I got. So the first thing that I pulled out is my receipt. So like I said, I went online and I purchased or added everything to my cart that I was interested in reviewing. And I had a code that made the items free, so I didn't technically purchase, but like I said, I still went through the process. So this is more than likely what you're gonna receive when you order. So the receipt, I also got, I believe this is a sticker. It says hair up, sunny's on, nails on point, a little cute sticker. I also got this. It says, hey friend, there's a limited time offer for you. See reverse side for details. Featured Fruity Cutie collection. These polishes are so cute. Here's the back of the card. All right, so this is the kit that I received. And like I said, I picked out the designs myself. It says Maniology on it, Fringe Forever Stamping Starter Kit. So simple nail art in a box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Now on the back, it gives you instructions. Here's what the front looks like. And here's the back. So the back says scrape, stamp, and swoon. Your way to self-expression. So the first step is apply stamping art polish over your selected design on the nail stamping plate. Second step is holding your scraper card at a 45-degree angle, gently scrape excess polish off the design toward the edge. And then 3, move quickly using the squishy part of your stamper, pick up the image with a light rolling motion. 4 is with the design transferred to the stamper, place the design onto your nail bed using a smooth rolling motion. And then 5, seal your design with our smudge-free top coat and swoon. So I'm not sure if this, I don't know if you have to cure the polish. I don't think that you do. It says the kit includes 5 milliliter stamping art polish, Monarch Dream, 5 milliliter smudge free top coat, stamping plate, MO14, clear ice cube stamper with scraper card. So this may not be gel. You may not have to cure it under the light. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So pretty. Look at the stamping kit. I can't wait to try these. Okay, so here are the templates, and it does come with like plastic over it, which I don't want to take off right now, but I'm gonna take a little bit, I'm gonna peel off the edge so you can see. So once you take off the paper, Here's what the stamping kit looks like. So it comes with that like protective coat over it. Where did I drop? Did I drop anything? Okay. Then it comes with more instructions for the starter kit. Normal polish removers will leave behind residue and oil. Use 100% acetone to clean your plates. Do not use acetone on stampers as it can cloud the stamper head and handle. Okay, so yes, I don't think, you don't have to cure these. So that's really cool. I enjoy gel polish, but I also enjoy just normal polish because sometimes I don't want to cure the shellac. I just really don't. I want to be able to polish it, let it dry, and go on about my day. And then also the takeoff. The takeoff is so much more efficient when you don't have shellac or gel. Don't get me wrong, I have gel on right now. Like, I like gel, I like shellac, but that's one thing that I don't like. I don't like having to cure my nails all the time, and I don't like having to go back to the nail salon to get the gel off. Although I did see, I found a new product that's supposed to work amazing. It did work when I went into the salon. I just never tried it myself, but I had it done on me once. It's like this polish that you polish, or this remover that you put over your nails, but it applies on like polish, and then it makes the gel bubble, and then you literally just can like peel it off. So that's pretty cool. So here is the scraper, I believe. Here's what the scraper looks like. It's like a sturdy piece of plastic. Very cute. Okay, and here is the, what is this? What part is this? This is where, I think you use this to place the design into your nail. So this is featured in number 4. So it has like this squishy, oh, okay. So I'm believing that I use this to push the design onto my nail, right? We're gonna see. If I'm doing this wrong, I'll do another video updating you all and doing it the right way. Oh, this is so cute. I've never seen polish like this. Like a 2-in-1. Super cute. And you just, oh wow. Okay, you just pull it out. I like that a lot. I really do. So it comes like this. You have your clear coat, and then you also have your polish. So before I try that out, let me go ahead and move on to what else came in the pack. That's the sample kit. And then I also have another stamping template. The designs are different on this one. So this one has like, looks like fireworks and some flowers. The other one has like, I don't know really what you would call these type of designs, but I'm gonna list the names of the, what did I get? So this stamping kit is called Fireworks, and the other one is Bohemian Style. This is the Bohemian Style. Okay. Nail stamping plate. Okay, let's unbox that already. And then I got this as well. What is this? This is a cotton grabber. Oh, I love their packaging. It's so pretty. Look at this. Cotton grabber. Super cute. So look at that. It's like a pin, and I can literally just grab the cotton. And then you put the top back on it like that. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Cotton grabber. I like this stuff. Let me know what you all are thinking. Okay, and then I also got some different colors So this is the limited edition Perfect Trio, handpicked by our team as the perfect complement to your growing polish collection. And I am definitely starting my polish collection. So I'm gonna order some shelves from Amazon and start organizing my polishes, probably in my bathroom. I might stick the shelf in my bathroom and do like a nail wall, like the nail salons have. But look at these colors, super pretty. So you have blue, white, and red, and that's the blue. Okay. Thank you, Maniology. I am so excited. I don't remember ordering. I think they added some other things in here because I don't think I ordered all of this. So I'm really excited that I got this. Okay, and then I also got, aside from the Bohemian plate, I got, what's the other plate? I don't know what this plate is. Fireworks Frenzy, we went over that one. The Bohemian style, went over that one. And stamping, porcelain nail stamping plate. No. Yeah, that's what it, okay, so this one is porcelain. That's the name of it. And it's numbered M252. So this is the designs that come in this plate. And then I also got a premium tool for nail artistry. What is this one? This one is, I'm just looking at the receipt here. It's actually helping quite a bit. Angle Precision Brush, is that what it is? Yep, that's what it is, and it says it right here. So here's what the brush looks like. And like I said before, it's really cool to be able to have, you know, just some utensils at home. When we were on lockdown, I did a whole series of how I did my nails at home. And I would do my fills at home, and I actually ordered like a drill. And just having all of these tools will make doing your nails at home so much more efficient. Even if you don't do it all the time, I go to the nail salon pretty regularly, but I still like to have the option to do my nails at home if I want to. So I am so excited that I got these tools, and these tools look so pretty. Look at the detail in this tool. So pretty. Makes you want to do your nails. And then you put the top on it like that. That is pretty. It says Maniology right there. I like that a lot. Okay, so I think we're just about to the end. There's still more though. There's still more. Okay, so this is the nail lacquer. And it says, let your creativity and imagination run wild with our Maniology nail lacquer. Each product, is made with quality and care so you can happily create your next nail masterpiece. So let's see what's in this, or what the lacquer looks like. So here is like your clear coat. And it's a good consistency. You know how some polishes feel really thin? These don't feel very thin. They feel really good. So thank you again, Maniology, for sending all of this. I do want to thank you for sponsoring this video. I am going to put the link down below for you all to check them out. And I'm also going to put their name across the screen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.